Okay, so suppose the warehouse worker is going to pick this handling unit, and we have the first prefix European article number, best before date, variant, quantity, another barcode on the HU we have, which is the serial shipper container code HUID, and we have batch lot number. Okay, and suppose this is the one full pallet, the size is 2 meter, so we need to send this to the customer. Okay, so the warehouse, suppose this is a warehouse resource or warehouse worker, he is going to scan this handling unit, picking from the hierarchy storage type to send to the customer. Okay, so on the RF device we have the screen like this, and we already did the enhancement. We provide one scan button to scan EAN barcode, this barcode EAN details through the enhancement technique. Okay, so the first screen is HU, then product, what is the product, actual quantity, what we are going to pick, batch number, okay, best before date, or more unit of measure if you require more fields here. So before picking this handling unit or sent to the customer, the warehouse workers first they scan and they see on the RF screen, they see if there is any error or no error. If no error, then they will scan next thing. They will verify one by one, because on RF device screens we have the fields. Okay, and generally in the system /n/SCWM RFUI, what we do, we copy from the left, we paste here. That means we are scanning and we press enter button, that means we scan. But in the real time, the warehouse resource workers or employee, they scan the handling unit, they check the okay, no error, okay, fine, okay, then they verify, validate. This is the process. So before picking this handling unit, how the warehouse workers, they will verify, or he will verify, and they will step by step what the procedure they will follow, which I am going to show you here. So first what they will do, the warehouse workers, first they scan the EAN barcode, right? Because our goal is to scan, because we provided one button to scan the EAN barcode. They scan, then check if the EAN is scanned properly or not. Then they will check if the EAN international article number or European article number, which is the product, which contains properties of the product. Properties means product ID, quantity, alternate unit of measure, more details. So the warehouse workers, they check, because sometimes what happens, suppose this is RF machine, it goes scanning here, and sometimes by mistake this beam is going to another area to scan blank space. Then he will check, oh, I got an error, this is again I need to scan that. So again he will scan this barcode properly, because sometimes due to the work pressure, or like in complete picking a lots of handling units in a less time, to sometimes the warehouse resources, they can scan. Or sometimes what happens, we have one barcode and that not removed properly, we have the another barcode stop on that. So that time what could happen, immediate the RF screen will throw an error message, scan again. Okay, so, or instead of this EN barcode, he will scan SSCHUID, this is this barcode. Then system should immediately send one message on the RF screen, invalid barcode. Okay, invalid barcode scanned. Okay, and then scan again. Like this message could be customized as per the business requirement. So the warehouse workers, what they will do, then after when he will verify, okay, I have scanned successfully the EAN, then he will scan the product and description, because handling unit contains the product, right? So if scan best before, then he will scan best before date and he will verify. Okay, in the RF screen he will verify in the screens. Okay, we have the buttons, scan picking quantity. Okay, then he will scan picking quantity is okay or not. or he will verify, then scan SSC, then he will scan this SSC HUID if it's correct or not, or instead of the HUID again he will scan, for an example, this international article number. Then he will verify, okay, I have scan, I have this SSC HUID. Then he will check if the SSC scan correctly or not with the HUID. Then he will check, verify, batch. Okay, when he will press enter button on the screen, suppose enter button when he presses the enter button, immediate system call behind the, how the system will check if everything is fine or not. System behind checks from the tables, views, clusters. So immediate system call these function modules, some of the tables. Okay, different table has different properties. Some tables contain HUID, product ID, more tables we have. System will verify if everything is okay, then they perform the process. The data, the required data will be saved or cross-checked from the system. So this is the outbound delivery process, picking process, along with the improvements. Okay, how we improve the business process. And this is the warehouse workers outbound delivery process. My name is Mans Nagar. I am the owner of Learn with Mans. So, and guys, this is the book version 1 for specialization in the RFUI. Okay, I hope you can see this is the book for specialization in the RFUI, and this is a compact book, too easy to be carried, and you can understand the processes, some kind of sample codes, and how we perform the enhancements, how we can improve the functionality of the complex warehouse businesses or in the supply chain management. Thank you very much, guys. I see you once again. Thank you.